Hey builders, welcome back. You've cast your own bricks. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's build your very first structure. Take the glue and apply a small drop where the bricks touch. Remember, a little glue goes a long way. Press the bricks together gently and hold them for a few seconds so they stay in place. Start by building up the foundation layer by joining the white bricks. Then separately glue the orange brick stacks. Once glued, place it in the middle of the white brick square of the foundation layer. Keep adding a tiny drop of glue between each brick before placing the next one. As you build, make sure the bricks are lined up neatly. A strong structure always begins with a strong foundation. Now it's time for the next layer. Keep stacking the bricks one layer at a time, adding a little glue between each layer. Watch how your walls grow taller and stronger with every row. Now let's add the windows and doors. First, place the window frames in the correct position. Next, add the doors. Fit it carefully into the opening and keep building around it, just like real builders do. Now continue adding the remaining bricks as shown in the manual. Take your time and check that every brick is sitting neatly in place. Finally, build the slanted roof to complete your structure. Look at that. The very first Cast-01 kit model is complete with bricks that were casted before. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and see what amazing structures you can build next. We'll see you in the next adventure. Happy building!